So the DBX Blast is an alright sounding speaker. It's smaller than the DB35 or that like Bose kind of sound experience, but I do prefer this speaker. It has a better audio output on its normal EQ settings, and while it does have this extra bass mode, as with other brands, this bass mode, yes, it can boost the bass, but it is pretty terrible on the speaker on, let's say, volumes above 50%. So if you want to listen on low volume, this bass mode is fine. If you want to listen it on louder volume, I would say not to use the extra bass. You just really hear the driver going broken almost. So the loud show is pretty similar to the other brand speakers. It does have the tendency to use different kind of light shows, and they do sync up pretty well with sound performance. And yeah, the sound performance again is not too terrible. It's even better than its bigger brother, the F35, with the other brand name. But the build quality is really the biggest issue with this brand. Like, you feel it is cheap, you feel it has the tendency to scratch easily. I even already have some marks on the speaker. And while the button layout is handy made, and you do have this like Aurocast support, this Aurocast sadly doesn't really support other brands. It's typical the same kind of experience like with JBL. This is also why I find Aurocast to be pretty useless and making speakers expensive without any need. Especially JBL, because they are a bigger brand, they need to pay more for the patent. So let's just go to our performance. The most EQ I used is the normal EQ, but I do have a few samples with the bass EQ. So without further ado, there they are.
Sun goes down, I feel it shift. Palm trees bend when the coffin lids lift. Main street quiet, but the grays talk back. I know that step in the alley crack. Fresh white grin with the old world stare. Cold hand reach from the market fair. New age kings with a powder face. Try to run this town, try to take my place. But I was built on the fault line, baby. Where the ground breaks weird and the truth gets hazy. Every block got a post in the floor. Every dead thing want a little bit more.
Feel that hush when the moon rolls in. All your little tricks can't save you then. I see the spark in your hungry eyes. Town ain't safe when the night gets wise. Sunnydale, after dark.
We don't sleep, we spark.
Sunnydale, after dark. Sunnydale, after dark.
After dark.
That's what we need this year. This year feel heavy. Too much talk, too much show. Everybody got a price tag. Everybody in control. I I miss the ones who mean it, who say it and stand tall. No grin shine on their faces, just the truth, that's all. I don't wanna copy, I don't wanna pose, I want a steady heartbeat, I want somebody close. Real people, that's what we need. On the wall, got dreams and a stack too tall. Still I'm right here, not moving at all. I'm just floating in the moon smoke. Let the world spin, let the time slow. Every breath feels like a new note. In the hush of my room, I'm just floating in the moon smoke. Eyes half closed at the mind roam. Heart on beat like an ant drum. Trace the cracks in my patience, like reading lines in my palm. You say my name in slow motion, turn all my noise into calm. Every fault, every scar you, it swallows the taste. Your name in the fog on the window fades before I can say it straight. You play like a midnight flute in my chest. Flute in my chest. Street signs blurring the real.
I came in late, chain on my collarbone split like a match, set the whole room off. You talk real big till I pull that stare. Now you cool, go quiet like they never would there. Black tea, fresh brim, fresh out the ride. Chrome on the wrist, new den on the side. I don't chase hype, I make my own lane. Say my name once, then say it again. Hold up, feel that flow move. One step left, not a whole block groove. Hands up high, let the whole place know. When I count to 3, we all let it go. Backseat bounce.